Alright, I'm going to show you how to, you can see all that grease and dirt and grime that's in between the buttons. I had started to clean it, but then I got thinking I better do a little quick video here. What I do is I take an alcohol white pad, one of those. Then I hold it like that, and like right around. I don't know, I got big hands. See where it was dirty, now it's clean. Right here, here's some dirt right here. The reason I take a, get around that button up there. Let me see if I can get the light. Oh, there we go. I'll try to get a better shot of this. I'm trying to reach around my cameras. I can't keep the thing on the end of my finger, but anyway, you get the gist of it. That's years of grime and buildup. And the thing of it is, the reason I'm so concerned about making sure that it's clean, because it's grime and buildup from someone else, not us. Come on, finger, work for me. All right. Still has some on there, but for the video, well, I can't seem to keep my finger on anything. All right, there you go. I got most of the oil and stuff off. I'll do the rest of it after I'm off of this video. But you got it. The before is at the beginning, and after is right there, or most of the after anyway. I still got some dirt here and there I got to clean up. But all right, thank you very much.